Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ninja Tech. In this video we will see how to fix your link is spam error in Pinterest. First of all, open the Pinterest. Now I am facing an error. I have created the pin. Now click on it. Now if I click on this, it should redirect me to the original website where the blog is located. Now if I click on this, it is showing me that sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. I was worried that maybe my site or my blog contains something that is invalid, but fortunately I have found nothing like that. After spending some time, I have fixed this error. First of all, you need to understand that Pinterest algorithm likes short length characters, short length text and short length URLs. My URL was lengthy, that's why Pinterest included it as a spam link. So let's create a new pin. I'm creating pin. Now upload picture. Now add title. I'm adding this title. Now add some more info. Now add alt text. I will simply copy the title and put it in the place of alt text. Now you need to enter the destination link. So it is the main thing. There is my blog. I want to add this blog to the Pinterest. So if I copy this link and put in the place of destination link and now click publish, yes, it is showing me errors. Sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. This is because my link is very lengthy. Doesn't mean that your blog contain some spam links or some spam data. Now we will shorten the link by going to bit.ly short link. This is the website bit.ly.com. Click on this, sign up, then click on create new link. Now paste your link, your actual link. You can also give it any title. I will give this title. Now simply click on create. Now this is the short URL. Copy this and paste it instead of this. Now your actual URL is shortened to this by using bit.ly.com. Now again we will click on publish. So it is showing me that you created a pin. Now if I reload the page, you can see the pin is created. And now if I click on this and if I click on this, so after clicking on this link, I am being redirected to the original post. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.